Hi everyone, how are you doing? Long time no see. As you've noticed, we've been publishing some different types of videos in the short section of our YouTube channel in order to keep you entertained, and have been publishing some long-term analysis so you could make some spot investment in the market. And after quite some time, we finally have a video for you to understand Bitcoin dominance. Because how this index moves actually has a great effect on the whole crypto market and altcoins movements. But before we go into the charts, let's take a look at the analysis that we have been publishing in our Telegram channel for quite some time. Now, if you join our Telegram channel and search for Bitcoin dominance, you can see that there are a lot of updates happening as this index makes its important moves. But I don't want to go into details and go back into history of Bitcoin dominance too much. I just want to share a couple of our latest updates on Bitcoin dominance so we can discuss the rest on TradingView. So a couple of days ago, we told our members that Bitcoin dominance was bound to go down, allowing some recovery in the alts. We started its analysis from up here, and then we got down to this critical point, and we told our members that the rejection from this circle was going to deliver more recovery in altcoins. And what happened was that we got the rejection that we were waiting for, and the breakout from the triangle pattern delivered us into the first target. And now we have a new update for you that we can discuss together on TradingView. So without further ado, let's take a look. So here we are, and this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. But what does it mean, and what does Bitcoin dominance represent? Bitcoin dominant relatively shows how much more money is invested into Bitcoin in comparison to the rest of crypto market, like other altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. And how does its movement affect the market? Well, let's take a look at this chart that I prepared for you. And as you can see, Bitcoin dominance can have different effects on the market movement. So let's say that Bitcoin dominance increases and goes up. If Bitcoin price also goes up, it means that Bitcoin has become the main controller of the market, and the other altcoins are going to go down because money will be floating into Bitcoin and rising it up, making new all-time highs. Well, this has been the case for the last couple of months. As you can see, in August, Bitcoin dominance started to move, and although money was coming into crypto market, Bitcoin was making all-time highs in November, December, and October, but altcoins could not follow Bitcoin as Bitcoin dominance was going up and sucking all the money into it. But what happened was that Bitcoin dominance started to go down, and the price of Bitcoin was slowly increasing or was stable or decreasing. In these scenarios, altcoins were rapidly either increasing or going up or stable. Okay, so at this point in late November, we saw that slowly market showed a great recovery and altcoins started to grow. Some of them were growing slowly at this point, and then all of them went rapidly up at this point. So this was actually this section of the market. And this section, what happened here was the correction we saw in the month of December, we saw that Bitcoin dominance was increasing. Bitcoin was making corrections from 100K to 90K, causing 40%, 50% correction in alts or market ranging. So this is how actually Bitcoin dominance affects the market. That's enough theory for now. Let's go back to our chart. So we published this analysis early in the morning and we told our members that from this zone, okay, from this area, either right from here, we could see some recovery in altcoins, okay, to revisit the target level once again. And that's where Bitcoin will decide what to do. We will either see a great correction in the market and then dominance will start to go up to higher levels, causing a greater correction in the market, or it will allow a little bit of more recovery in altcoins, coming here and then going down, and then finally starting a bigger move. The reaction we get from this zone is very important because if we get a rejection from here on altcoins and this index starts to go up, then we will see another massive correction in most of the crypto market. But if we are lucky and this index goes down to lower levels, then we can see a lot of altcoins recover to higher levels before a correction happens. So keep an eye on this index and don't miss out the next update that we are going to publish in our Telegram channel, because depending on the action we get from this zone, the fate of market in the coming weeks and months will be decided. Until then, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels and stay tuned for further updates. Take care and have fun.